you ever drink a full cup of coffee in one gulp? Because that's what I did. Well, how you doing? It's the first blue sky day in what, 6 weeks? This way, Lex. Sorry, she's going in a total different direction there. This beautiful mountain is quite near where I live. This is, we're going up Glengara, which is also known as Witch Mountain, as in witch with the pointy hat. This mountain was, it's all for pagan ritual, is where they used to burn witches. There you go. But we're going up over here, that's Moylossa, and then we're going up Glengara, over to Craignamara is over there. So I can see my coffee spot already. The radar store in Limerick have given me a Gore-Tex jacket by Mountain Equipment to check out and to review, and I have it with me today. And it's blue skies, and I'm kind of hoping I get some rain so I can check it out. So for 6 weeks I've been giving out about the rain, and the one day we get blue skies I'm hoping it rains. Ah yes. Okay, let's get going. I forgot how I love this mountain so much, and this is one I want to go camping with, so I'm just gonna take a spot up here now. And yeah, my face is sore from this stupid grin I have on my face all day. Ah yes. Okay, let's rock and roll. You see all the way here down to Loch Derg? Yeah, that's called the Valley of the Standing Stones. I'd say this is a prime tick territory, so I better check the dog and check myself when I get back home. My wife asked me recently about what do I love about making movies or making videos or the YouTube channel or anything like that. And for me, like, the YouTube channel has never ever been about money or anything like that. This is my hobby. And like, the reason I suppose she was asking is, like, I put a video up that takes a long time to record, and you could be 7 hours editing. So much work goes into it. But I suppose for me, and what I say is, like, to see the reaction from people, to see the comments from people, to finally meet some of those people, especially on the last hike, and randomly if I'm out hiking and someone comes up and say, oh, you're the fella from YouTube. Not that I'm looking for that kind of recognition, but just to hear those one or two little things that actually the videos bring happiness to people. So for me, that's all I want. That's all I want out of these videos. But I do a bit of affiliate marketing, and I do a bit of I have like buy me a coffee that's up, and any bit of money that comes in from that goes straight into an account that I have called Hiking Gear to feed my hiking addiction. But yeah, it's I just want to say thank you anyway to all the people who have helped me to this date, and all the people who have bought me a coffee. Like, I really appreciate it, and like all the money goes back into the channel. And yeah, look, being honest, I am just happy that other people are happy, and then I think that for me is the biggest payment you could ever ask for, being honest. And that's just my personal sobby description of why I do videos. But yeah, a lot of rain. I shouldn't have said anything about hoping to get rain, because I think there's a lot of it coming in. But look, let's get a coffee on before it arrives. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. I got it back. Leave no trace. I think I may have got my wish for rain. There's a good bit on the way. I have my rain gear with me, but I just got my coffee on anyway before I can see like a wave on the way. So it's a chance to try out my new jacket. Always look at the positive. Before the wave of rain behind me comes in. Cheers everyone. Ah. That's gonna be wet. Well, I got my wish, and I got hailstones, snow, and I had to kind of abandon my coffee because poor Lex is getting wrecked. Aren't you, buddy? Yeah, so that's a crazy shower, and there's a lot more on the way, so we need to get down. But I'm loving the beading effect of this. What a jacket. Woohoo! See Limerick in the distance. I can see this mountain from the back of my house. A lot of rain there. Then in the very far distance in the haze, you won't be able to see it. You could see the Galties. You have Keeper Hill. You have the Silvermine Mountains. Over here you have the Ara Loop. It's the Ara Mountains over here, and then you have Moyle Lussa, and what we just come off is Craignamara, and that's Glengala. So plenty of mountains to choose from around this area. What a beautiful sky in the middle of all this rain, sleet and snow and wind. Anyway, nearly back at the car. So good to get out in the mountains. Well, I'm gonna end it here because I have to make my tracks through a real deep dark wood, so my footage isn't gonna be what I want it to be. So I'm gonna end it there. Thanks so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications and all that jazz, and I will talk to you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.